Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change country flag in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want to update or switch your country flag in Mobile Legends, then the process is very simple. Launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and allow it to fully load. Once you're in this lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, you will see your current country flag right next to where your level is shown. Tap on it and you'll be able to see this country flag change option. Now go ahead and choose a different country that you want to switch to, and once you do that, click on OK. Once you change your flag, you'll have to wait for 3 months before you can change it again. So confirm if you want to do this by tapping OK, and you have successfully changed your country flag in your profile. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.